Welcome to how to use Apple Notes for grocery shopping. So what you're gonna need to do, you will tap on notes here and then you will tap on this option to make new notes, and then here I will basically add a title. So I will title here like grocery shopping list. Okay, then I will get down and I will, let's suppose I want some breads, I want some eggs, I want some milk, and I want some butter as well. And now if I wanted to convert this into a list, I will basically select all of these. So I will double tap on bread and then I will basically hold it and basically drag it down, and then I will tap on the list option here. So I will tap on list, and then let's suppose that now I am in the shop and I have taken the milk. So I will tap on this check box here that the milk is done. So I will tap on this, and now you can see that it automatically gets sorted. Okay, so that's how you can basically make a list. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.